Hello, Namaskaram and good morning. A happy Friday to all the participants of this Kupin Masterclass. Today, 15th May 2020, I am Nilanjan Dev Bharadwaj, your Sarathi or chauffeur for today's Masterclass. And our topic for the day is Gita for Life, Life Lessons from the Bhagavad Gita. I'm thankful to Mr. Ragesh, Mr. Grish and all the team members of Skupin for this wonderful initiative, where we are all able to contribute, we are all able to benefit, and we are all able to be connected at the same time. I see this initiative as 50 Gitas in itself, because it is the sequence of the Gita which was the last scenario where the teacher and the taught, or the trainer and the trained, or the coach and the coachee were able to be connected, were able to contribute, and were able to get benefited at the same time. A small introduction about myself. I was born in Kolkata, 1983, educated in Chennai. I did my graduation from Anna University, Mechanical Engineering, and for the last 16 years I have been working in different capacities in supply chain management and contract management and project management in the oil and gas industry. I currently am serving as the operations director for Kelvion GmbH, a German multinational in their Indian operations based out of Pune. My experience with the Bhagavad Gita began at the age of 10, when I got an opportunity with my parents to meet one of the learned doyens or sages who has propagated the Bhagavad Gita across the world, Swami Chinmayananda. And from there on, under different learned masters, both at home and in the society, I was fortunate to learn the Gita in script, in meaning, and in application. Since 2010, I have been lucky to start an initiative called Gita for Life, where we are able to do research on the application of Gita in modern day scenarios, document the various shlokas and how they are applied in various different scenarios, and share this knowledge with a variety of people, be it students, be it professionals, be it government servants, be it teachers, and be it societal engineers. It is really a wonderful opportunity for me to share this knowledge with all the trainers present here, because I do hope Krishna touches all of you during the course of this session today, and somewhere is able to reflect the knowledge of the Gita through your trainings to your participants and your coaches. On that note, I would like to welcome you all for today's session on the Gita for Life, Life Lessons from the Bhagavad Gita, and I will see you all on the other side of this video. Thank you.